everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Amazon account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the URL box type in www.amazon.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your account if necessary, and once you're in your home screen of Amazon, in order to redeem your gift card, you can click on the gift cards option at the top. When you redeem an Amazon.com gift card or gift voucher to your account, the funds are stored in your account and will automatically apply to your next eligible order. In order to redeem a gift card, click on Redeem an Amazon gift card option at the top of the screen where you can see your gift card balance, reload your balance, and the redeem option at the top. Click it on. On the next page, you'll need to enter your password for your account just to confirm that this account belongs to you, and click on sign in. Now you'll have to approve the notification sent to your email address. Simply click open and click on approve or deny. And on the next page, you'll be able to see that you can now enter your claim code in the text box. Type in your gift card number in the text box and click on apply to your balance in order to redeem a gift card. It is that simple in order to redeem a gift card on Amazon. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.